Hello everyone, this is Saili from Brightwayz team. We are starting with the series of preparation strategy videos for MBA CET 2023 of each and every section. These videos will help you a lot to start your preparation for CET 2023. The first section we are starting in this video is Quant section, that is maths. Now Quant section approximately comes for 50 marks in CET, and trust me, this is the most scoring and easy section in CET to earn more marks. Mostly in maths section, pattern of questions are always repetitive. That's why applying right strategy can make you score well in maths. Most major part in maths section is data interpretation and data sufficiency. DI always comes for 20 to 25 marks in CT, but it's not compulsory that DI or any topic will come for these marks only. The predicting topic-wise marks are very unpredictable in CET examination. Data sufficiency normally comes for 5 marks, but in last 2022 CET, data sufficiency has come for 20 marks in one slot. So you have to make sure that you are doing each and every topic in detail. Topics like ratio and proportion, percentages, average, quadratic equations, and HCF LCM comes for 1 to 2 marks, and quadratic equation come for 5 marks every year. Sums to practice is 20 to 25 sums of each topic every week. These topics are mostly calculation based, and these topics will help you a lot in DI to speed up your DI calculations. Topics like time and work, time, speed, distance are major arithmetic topics which you cannot avoid. And pipe and cisterns and boat and streams are the parts of these topics only. So it's beneficial for you if you are done with these two topics in detail. You don't have to study another in too detail and don't have to practice much more for that topics. Now topics like profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, permutation, combination, and probability, we have done these topics in schools already, and from these topics we have to practice only easy to medium level questions. These topics come for 2 to 3 marks each. Now topics like area, ages, partnerships always comes for easy to medium level, and you have to practice only 10 to 15 sums each and every week to gain mastery over these topics. Now for number series, you have to be consistent in practice. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve number series in main examinations because the pattern for number series questions is very unpredictable. Now, how to start preparing for quants or maths section? Starts from basic of each topic. You have to study each and every topic and not have to left any topic. Make a formula book and make sure that you are revising it every week. Make a study plan, practice and revise. Things to remember: set timer while solving questions. Try to solve sums by shortest approach. Find shortcuts for each topic. By by solving shortcuts method in your practice only, it's not difficult for you to apply in the exam. Thank you. For further details, or if you are interested to join CET 2023 program from Brightwayz, you have to take admission, and for that you can contact us for this number or email us on Brightwayz Education. Thank you.